हेलो किड्स, हम सब ने अकबर बीरबल के कितने सारे किस्से सुने हैं ना। लेट अस हियर अ स्टोरी अबाउट अकबर एंड बीरबल एंड द टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज राग दीपक. Tansen was the only child of a singer and his wife who lived near Gwalior. He was a mischievous child and grew to be a great musician. Mischievous जानते हैं? नटखट बच्चा. His singing impressed Akbar so much that he designated Tansen as one of his 9 gems in his court. इतना अच्छा गाता था तानसेन कि अकबर ने उसको अपने नवरत्नों में से एक रत्न करार किया. Tansen soon became a favorite of Akbar. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing whenever he pleased, night or day. This, however, made many courtiers jealous. अब अगर इतना फेवरेट था किंग का, तो बाकी लोग तो जेलस होंगे ही ना. They tried in many ways to destroy the king's affection for Tansen but did not succeed. Then one of them had a bright idea. Let us make him sing Rag Deepak, he said. Whoever sings this rag properly will get burnt due to the heat. अब राग दीपक की ये खासियत है कि अगर कोई राग दीपक अच्छे से और सही तरीके से गाए तो जो गाने वाला है उसके भी अंदर इतनी हीट पैदा होती है जो उसको बहुत नुकसान देती है. So they all agreed to the plan and went first to Akbar's daughter. क्यों? आइए जानते हैं. The emperor thinks Tansen is the greatest singer in the world, but he can't be called a great singer until he sings Rag Deepak, they said to her. The princess was intrigued. What is Rag Deepak? She asked. There is fire in the heart of the singer who sings this rag, they explained. The beauty of the music is such that this fire lights on all the nearby lamps. It is our greatest wish that Tansen would sing this rag. तो उन्होंने अकबर की बेटी को क्या कहा कि राग दीपक गाने वाले के दिल में फायर होती है और अगर वो राग दीपक सही से गाता है तो आसपास रखे जितने दिए हैं वो जल पड़ते हैं. तो ये हमारी विश है कि तानसेन हमें राग दीपक सुनाए. Hearing this, the princess went straight to her father. Akbar would never deny his daughters any wish. So he called Tansen and asked him to sing Rag Deepak. My lord, Tansen said when he heard Akbar's wish, don't ask me to sing this rag. I can sing anything else you want me to. But Akbar was adamant that he only wants to listen to Rag Deepak. I will no longer think you to be the brightest singer if you don't sing this rag, he threatened. Adamant जानते हैं? किसी चीज़ पर जब आप अड़ जाते हैं ना, स्टबर्न हो जाते हैं, उसको हम एडमेंट कहते हैं. अब तानसेन ने तो अकबर को समझाने की कोशिश करी कि आप मुझसे और कोई भी राग गाने को कहिए, लेकिन अकबर अटक गए. उन्होंने कहा अगर नहीं गाओगे तो मैं नहीं समझूंगा कि तुम इतने ग्रेट सिंगर हो. सो तानसेन हैड नो चॉइस बट टू अग्री. He asked for some time to prepare and left the court. He reached home in a thoughtful mood. What would he do now? Suddenly he had an idea. What if someone sang Rag Malhar at the same time? If it is sung properly, it would bring rain to put out the fire of Rag Deepak. So he immediately called his daughter Saraswati and her good friend Roopwati for this. Over the next few days, he taught them Rag Malhar. The girls were very quick learners and practiced day and night to perfect their singing. The day fixed for the concert arrived. The entire city gathered to hear Tansen singing. It was dusk as Tansen began singing. Dusk जानते हैं? दिन का वो टाइम जब शाम होने लगती है, रात से पहले का टाइम. थोड़ा थोड़ा अंधेरा और बहुत थोड़ी सी रोशनी होती है. Soon, people felt the air get warm. Then they started perspiring. The leaves of nearby trees dried up and fell. Water began to boil as Tansen went on singing. Then it happened. Flames shot out and lit the lamps. The people applauded. Applauded जानते हैं? ताली बजाना. As planned. This was the signal Saraswati and Roopwati were waiting for. As they began singing Rag Malhar, the sky got clouded. Then it started raining. The rain put out the heat all around and Tansen was saved. अब राग दीपक गाने से क्या क्या हुआ? पहले गर्मी हुई, फिर लोगों के पसीने छूटने शुरू हो गए, पेड़ की पत्तियां सूख करके नीचे गिरी, पानी भी बॉयल होना शुरू हुआ और धीरे धीरे करके क्या हुआ कि जेन्युइनली फ्लेम्स आई और वो जो दिए रखे थे वो सब जल पड़े. यही वो सिग्नल था जब उन लड़कियों ने राग मल्हार गाना शुरू करा, जिससे कि बारिश बरसी और इस तरह से तानसेन की जान बची. The story goes that Tansen was very ill after this. This made Akbar realize he had been wrong in forcing him to sing such a life-threatening rag. He apologized to Tansen and punished the courtiers who were his enemies. अब इस स्टोरी से हमें क्या पता चलता है? पहली बात, जब भी कोई डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन आए तो उससे भागने की बजाय अगर हम ठंडे दिमाग से सोचें तो उस सिचुएशन में उस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन हम ढूंढ सकते हैं. और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि हमें किसी को ऐसी सिचुएशन में नहीं डालना चाहिए जहाँ पे उसकी जान पे बन आए. होप वी एंजॉयड द स्टोरी.